Now make a test. Find out questions which, if somebody answers, will prove that they have the traits which you have. Ask 3 questions per trait. So if they're confident and you want to ask about their confidence, so you will write questions which, if you ask someone, you will figure out, are they confident? Are they trustworthy? Are they liars? Are they not liars? So these are the things which you want to ask. You want to have 60 questions which they will answer, and those answers will allow them to open up themselves to tell you if they actually have the trait which you have. Now each answer they give, they get 3 points. So there are 60 questions. So the total numbers are 180 points. So now you grade each answer in the spreadsheet after reading each question, and you will give them points, 3 points, 1 point, 2 points. So in the end you will have a scorecard. And if somebody is passing, say, 50% marks, you can ask them to go back and do the course again, or you can ask them to come back, or you can say, oh, you did a fantastic job, or you can send them back and say, do the course again, right? So this way, now you have an outline, you have broken down who are you, what do they need to learn to become you, to work with your assistant, or a project manager, or a chief operating officer, because now they have all the traits which you have, and now they are able to understand you much better than any other human being out there. The scorecard, the result will tell you how good are they like you, how much are they like you, right? So try to make the scorecard and see what the score is.